I got this essence primer and I do not like it, and here is why. I do not have any complaints with regards to the price of the product because I got it under sale for 400 rupees and I think it retails for 499 rupees if I'm not wrong, 500 actually. But this is a great primer for dry skin type. It has a very creamy consistency. It looks like a moisturizer only. See, I don't want it to blur anything else but my pores. And see, it will not do that. It won't. Can you see? It did not blur my pores. My skin type is oily, and as you can see, it is still giving me a little bit of glow, which I do not prefer in my primers. I think it's a good primer for people who have like normal skin, or people who have very tiny pores, but people who have huge pores or a lot of pores, and that is their primary agenda of buying a primer, then do not buy this. It also says that it does not leave any white cast, which is true. It is hydrating, it's giving me glow also, so I think I can use it during winters. I did test it as a day cream, and what I've observed is that because I am somebody who perspires a lot, it will not help you in not looking greasy. It has SPF 15, and the quantity that you have to apply, it has to be a very thin layer, so I don't think you can get the exact day protection from sun using this primer. I'm taking foundation from Maybelline. It's in the shade Soft Tan 228. This is my shade, and I'm going to take this much amount. Now this does not feel very heavy on the skin, this primer, and it also absorbs very quickly. Okay, the foundation is sitting well with this. This is how my foundation is sitting on top of this primer. I think when I wear this foundation, even without primer, it looks exactly like this. So I do not understand what is the point of applying this primer. I think it is helping in, you know, hydrating my skin, but I can always do that with an existing moisturizer in my skincare regime. Will it suit somebody? Yes, for normal skin and for dry skin, but I don't think you need it specifically. It's not like, wow, I need this in my life. You don't need it. You can just work with a moisturizer. You can relax.